Hello, and this is Explain That. In this tutorial or guide on how to go live on Instagram mobile. So let's get started. First and foremost, open up your Instagram app and then tap on the plus icon on the middle. Swipe right until you see the live, and then you have first three options here before starting your live. You can either have the title, the audience, or the scheduling of your live whenever you post it now. So you can either have a public or a private audience, or they say it practice. You can have your title in, and then click on your scheduling of the live. Just tap on the button if you're ready to go. Make sure that you've already prepared everything that you need for it to become a successful live. First, it will go on checking the connection, and it will prompt to say that you are live now. You can use a lot of features here by muting, unmuting, having the video on, flipping the camera, effects, and also filters. And that's about it. That's from Explain That, and that is how to go live on Instagram mobile. It's easy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.